Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings with Windows plus I so you land exactly where you need to be. Once Settings is open, go to Accounts and then Sign In Options. This is where PIN controls live. Make sure you have your current account password or your existing PIN available because Windows will ask to verify your identity before allowing changes. This verification protects your device, and once validated, you can proceed directly to change or remove the PIN without detours. Now, under Windows Hello PIN, click the Change button to begin the PIN update flow. Enter your current PIN when prompted so Windows confirms it's you. After that, type your new PIN twice to avoid typos. Pick a PIN that's easy to remember but not trivially guessable. Mix digits and length for security. If you use a Microsoft account, make sure Device Sync or Recovery is enabled so you can recover the PIN if you forget it later. Finish by clicking OK and immediately test the new PIN at the lock screen to confirm it works. If the Change button is disabled, make sure Windows Hello is set up correctly and that group policy or a work account hasn't blocked PIN changes. Check settings and account types. If something goes wrong, use the I forgot my PIN link to reset it through your Microsoft account verification, or sign in with your password and repeat the change process to restore access quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.